Hello everyone! The technicians at this well-known appliance repair workshop, known for their experience, shared these tips with us, so pay attention because we're going to fix this issue. Listen carefully to what I'm about to explain. The fed error in GE dishwashers is one of those that almost always appears at the end of the cycle, when the unit tries to drain water and something isn't working as it should. Many customers arrive saying, "The dishwasher finishes the cycle but stays full of water and then shows fed." And from the very beginning, we know the issue is related to the drainage system. In the workshop, we explain that this code appears when the unit detects that water is not draining properly and an automatic protection is activated. Continuing with what we see day to day, some customers say, "I can hear it trying to drain, but it sounds like it has no power." In these cases, the first thing we check is the filter and the drain area, because over time, food particles, grease, and debris can build up and block water flow. We technicians usually say, if water cannot flow freely, the system protects itself and shows fed to prevent damage to the pump. This is one of the most common causes, and it's often solved with a deep internal cleaning. As we move further into the diagnosis, we also find customers saying, "The machine makes noise like it wants to drain, but it can't." Here we inspect the drain pump, because when it starts to wear out, it loses strength and cannot push water out with enough pressure. In the workshop, we explain that the pump is the heart of the drainage system, and if it doesn't work properly, water remains inside and the unit interprets it as a drainage failure. On the other hand, there are situations where customers mention, "I cleaned everything, but the error still appears." In these cases, we check the drain hose because it may be bent, improperly installed, or partially blocked. A technician in the workshop explains it like this: "Many times the problem isn't inside the dishwasher, but in how the water exits into the home drainage system. Even a small bend can reduce flow enough to trigger the fed code." Continuing with what we see in the workshop, some customers say, "It used to work perfectly and suddenly started showing this error." Here we inspect the entire drainage system because over time debris can accumulate in different areas without being visible. We explain that lack of filter maintenance is one of the most common reasons behind this type of gradual failure. We also see cases where the error appears even though everything seems to be in good condition. Customers say, "There's nothing blocked, but fed still shows up." In these situations, we check the water level sensor or control board, because if the system cannot correctly interpret the water level, it may stop the cycle as a safety measure. In the workshop, we always say that when the electronics receive incorrect information, the dishwasher protects itself even if everything is mechanically working fine.